Hey there! Today, I'm super excited to walk you through the process of creating some spooky horror story videos using AI. We're taking inspiration from a Faceless YouTube channel that's blown up to over 6.38 million subscribers with just 350 uploads and is raking in a whopping $41.3 thousand monthly. The best part? They're using simple pictures with a voiceover.
I was getting a little bit uncomfortable now, because now I was questioning if these yells were directed at me. Now I heard the voice yell.
And it got me wondering if AI could handle most of the heavy lifting for us. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create an engaging script. No need to stress about writing the script yourself. Head over to Chatgpt, use the AIPRM extension for optimal results, and search for Short Story Generator template. Click on it. Then enter a few keywords related to your story. If you're unsure about the keywords, just ask ChatGPT to suggest some in a new chat. Copy those keywords, paste them into the short story generator chat, hit enter, and voila! You've got a unique and engaging script. Now, we need to simplify it for the next step, so ask ChatGPT for guidance on turning it into a storytelling video script. Now, let's get those visuals and a voiceover. No worries, AI's got your back. Use a powerful text-to-video AI tool that not only generates videos, but also provides voiceovers. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of video generation per week, perfect for 2 to 3 videos. If you want longer videos, consider a paid plan offering 50 or 200 minutes per month. Now, copy the script from ChatGPT. Select the YouTube explainer option, add a story overview, keywords, and specify the background music and narrator voice. Click through the process, wait patiently, it's worth it, and boom, you've got an amazing video. If want to tweak the video clips, hit the edit button, and you can replace clips by searching for stock clips related to the main keywords in the script. Once satisfied, hit apply changes, wait a bit, and your video is ready. Click on export, choose your resolution. Thank you, Invideo AI, for the 1080p choice even in the free plan, and wait for the rendering to finish. Once it's ready, hit download.
Have you ever heard about the haunted mansion in the quiet town of Ravenshade? A place where whispers of spectral mischief echo through the cobblestone streets, where an ominous mansion stands like a ghostly sentinel on the town's edge. Enter Olivia, a daring paranormal investigator unflinching in the face of the uncanny. Her phone rings, a desperate plea from the Leroy family. They're tormented, they say, by unseen forces near the mansion. One moonless night, Olivia steps into the mansion where shadows seem to dance to an otherworldly rhythm. As Olivia delves deeper, she stumbles upon a hidden chamber adorned with eerie symbols, a place where a malevolent ritual once took place. The walls whisper tales of the past. A foreboding presence takes hold. The Leroy family, locked in a state of fear, witness the haunting escalate. Shadows twist and turn, forming ghastly figures, their spectral eyes fixed on Olivia. As she prepares for an exorcism, the mansion seems to breathe, the air thick with anticipation. Unearthly whispers and ghastly figures fill the mansion, setting the stage for a climactic confrontation. The climax arrives with a surge of energy. The mansion shakes, and Olivia feels a force pulling her towards the chamber. The air crackles with anticipation as the spirits reveal their sinister plan. Not an exorcism, but a possession. Olivia, once the fearless investigator, is now their vessel, their pawn in the mortal world. The room falls silent. The only sound is the soft echo of ghastly whispers. Possessed by the malevolent force, Olivia turns toward the Leroy family with a sinister smile, revealing the chilling truth. The possessed Olivia speaks, her voice a chilling harmony of the spirit's whispers. A transformation as terrifying as it is fascinating, Olivia becomes the unwilling vessel for the malevolent spirits. Her once warm eyes now shine with an otherworldly glow. With a sinister smile, she steps into the shadows, her departure leaving Ravenshade in a state of perpetual darkness. A shroud of fear and uncertainty hangs over the town, a chilling reminder of the horror that unfolded. Whispers in the shadows, a tale of horror and deception that will forever echo through the quiet town of Ravenshade.
You can churn out as many videos as you want with this powerful text-to-video AI tool and potentially make some serious money on YouTube with your own Faceless channel in any niche. If you're interested in alternative text-to-video AI tools, drop a comment with powerful AI, and I'll share more tutorials. Until then, take care and best of luck.